I've been diving into the world of minimalist kitchen design, especially as it's blossoming in Colorado homes. One trend that stands out is the use of natural materials. Think warm woods and stone accents that bring a touch of the outdoors inside. Homeowners are opting for open shelving, which not only looks sleek but also encourages a curated, personal touch with their dishware. Another exciting trend is the integration of smart technology, seamlessly blending functionality with clean lines. Imagine a kitchen where your appliances are hidden away, maintaining that uncluttered aesthetic. And let's not forget about color palettes. Soft whites and muted earth tones are dominating, creating a calm and inviting space. Lighting plays a crucial role too. Large windows and minimalist fixtures enhance that airy feel. It's all about creating a space that feels both modern and timeless, making cooking a joy rather than a chore. Embracing these trends can truly transform your kitchen into a serene retreat. I've been diving into the world of minimalist kitchen design, especially as it's blossoming in Colorado homes.